Whispers of the Wild. Long before we arrived, the earth spoke in whispers through wind, water, and roots. Eagles hunting, bears fishing, trees communicating underground, fireflies sinking their glow in a nighttime meadow, scientists replanting corals, communities cleaning rivers, indigenous guardians protecting the rainforest. Nature responds, plants bloom, animals return, waters run clearer. When we listen and act, the earth sings again. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.